recently renovated and finished to its highest standard, this stunning 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is the best opportunity in Rose Grange Estate. Set on the edge of Tarnit's finest amenities, this house is sitting on a massive block of 610 meters square and is waiting for its new owner to move in and enjoy this stunning property. Where a good family home is harder and harder to find, 20 Baden Powell Drive will not be available for long. I look forward to seeing you at one of my open for inspection. Cheers.